In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit MS Outlook template. By the end, you'll know exactly where Outlook stores your templates and how to update them quickly so your emails stay consistent and on brand. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox in the browser. If the page looks a little different from what you're used to, that's okay. Just make sure you're in Outlook on the web, since that's where the built-in template tool appears in the Compose window. Once you're in your inbox, click New Mail to open a fresh message. This is important because the template panel only shows up while you're composing. In the Compose toolbar, look for the icon that looks like a square with a smaller box inside it. That opens the available apps and add-ins for your message. Give it a second to load if it's the first time you're opening it in this session. From that panel, select My Templates. This is Microsoft's simple canned response tool. It stores short snippets you can insert into emails with a click. Great for repetitive replies like acknowledgements, follow-ups, or directions. If you don't see it right away, scroll the panel. It's usually listed plainly as My Templates. Now choose the template you want to update from the list. You'll see each template's title and a preview of its content. Hover over the one you want to change and click the pencil icon next to it. That opens the editing view. Here, you can refine the template's title to make it easier to find later, and you can modify the body text to match your current tone, policy, or messaging. As you edit, keep a few best practices in mind. Use a clear, searchable title so you can spot it fast in a long list. Keep the content concise and action-oriented, and consider placeholders like name, order number, or date, so you can personalize quickly after inserting. The formatting here is intentionally simple. Focus on clarity and straightforward language rather than heavy styling. When your changes look good, click Save. Outlook updates the template immediately, so the next time you insert it into a message, you'll see the revised version. If you ever need to tweak it again, repeat these same steps. Open a new message, open the app panel, go to My Templates, hit the pencil, edit, and save. That's it. Your Outlook template is now up to date and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!